friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Vamperina, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started in the center of our page, and we're going to draw in a small arch line for the nose. Let's come across for the eyes. So on the left hand side, slightly higher than the bridge of our nose, we're going to curve this line all the way around. So we're going to arch this over, and then we're going to connect this back together on the very top of our eye. Let's step across on the right hand side, lining that up at the same height, and we'll just replicate that. Let's come inside for the pupil of the eye. So we're going to draw in another circle. We'll do this again on the opposite side as well. Let's move to the top now for the highlight. So we're going to draw in a circle. And then now right in the middle here, let's just color that portion in black. Let's give her some eyelashes now. So right on the top here, we're going to curve this line out, tucking that back down to create a small triangle. And then we'll move below this again, curving this over and through to the side for our second triangle. And now let's come underneath one more time, adding in a third eyelash. And then we'll just color each one of these in black. Now let's add in the eyebrow above. So starting on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line across, replicating that on the right-hand side as well. Now from that point on the bottom, we're going to curve this all the way around and then back in on the top. And then now from here, let's just color this in black. Let's move down for the mouth. In the center, drawing in an arch line. Now on the bottom, we're going to curve this all the way around and through, connecting that on the side. Let's add in the fangs. So we're going to draw in a curved diagonal line from both corners, ending that at the same height. And then we're just going to draw in a small straight line that comes up. Now from here, let's connect that together with a slight curved line. And then we'll close this off in the opposite direction with an arch line for the tongue. Let's draw in the shape of the head here. So coming over on the left-hand side for the chin, we're just going to curve this line around, pulling that back up on the side. Now closing off the side of the head on the left-hand side, curving this all the way around and then through to the top. And then we'll replicate that, mirroring that on the right-hand side, blending that together on the very top there. Let's draw on the hairline right in the center. We're going to curve this line up and we're going to pull that down on the left. And then we'll replicate that on the right, so arching this up and then pulling this all the way back down on the right. Now on the top here on the left, we're going to draw in a small arch line for the hair tie. Let's move up on the top. So we're going to curve this around and through, ending that at the same height. On the top here now, we're going to curve this up and over to the side of our page. Now from that point, we're going to tuck this around and out. Again, on the bottom, curving this over and through. And then now from that point, we're just going to tuck this into that hair tie, curving that down to the middle. Let's draw in her ears. So on the top here, curving this line out, lining it up at the same height. And then now from that point, we're just going to round the edge out, curving that in. Let's add some details inside the ear now. So on the inside, we're going to curve this out and down. And then right on the top here, we're just going to curve this over. Now coming underneath for the neck, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line on the left and right hand side. We'll close this off with a curved line. Let's add in a skull now underneath. So we're going to draw in an arch line. And then we're just going to draw a small diagonal line coming in on both sides. We'll flatten this out on the edge. And then we're going to flatten that out again on the bottom. Now let's draw in the dress. So we're going to curve this out on the top. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this out to the left and right hand side, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to curve this down and in towards the bottom. And then again on both sides, on the left, curving this down and through to the middle. We'll replicate that on the right. So we're going to curve that over and in. Now on the top here, from the point where the neckline is, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line coming across. And now let's connect that together with another curved line. Let's draw in these sleeves here. So from that edge of the dress, we're just going to curve this line up. From that point, we're going to arch this around and in, leaving a gap. And then now from here on the bottom, let's just tuck this up, curving that in to the side of the dress. Let's bend the elbow here. So for the arm, we're going to bring this out, tucking that in on the elbow, bringing that down, and then we'll replicate that on the opposite side. Now leaving a gap coming through on the top, let's just curve that over and in towards the top of our arm. And then now on the bottom, just adding in a small diagonal line. Let's close off the hand here. So coming through on the side, we're going to curve this over, tucking that down, and then we'll replicate that on the right. Now coming underneath, we're going to arch this over and in towards the side of the dress. And then we're just going to draw in a small curved line for that finger. Let's add in the legs now. So from the center, stepping over, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines, ending those at the same height. And now stepping across on the outside, lining that up, we're just going to replicate that. Let's close this off on the bottom with a curved line. Let's move down now. We're going to wrap this around, curving this over, tucking that back in. Let's come down for the boot now. So on the back, just curving this down. On the bottom, let's curve this all the way across to the side. And then from that point, we're just going to round this out, curving that over and then back down. Now from here on the side, we're just going to curve this into the top. Let's add in the sole of the shoe here. So we're just going to arch that through, following the shape of the shoe on the bottom. Now let's add in the top of the boot here. So we're just going to curve this line across again. And then for the laces, we're just going to arch this up. And then we're just going to add in 3 curved lines. So we're going to draw 2 curved lines in total for 3 separate areas. And that is it. That's how you draw Vamperina. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.